Hey y'all, it's Nicole for 49 and Market, and today I'm going to be working with the Birdsong Collection Bundle, and that's where you get a plethora of products in the bundle. And I'm also going to be working with some mango colored flowers. I'm going to be using the Nature's Bounty and the florets. So as you can see here, I am opening my collection bundle for the first time. And in it, like I said, you get a plethora of goodies. So you get the wishing bubbles. You get, I'm not sure if I'm going to show all of them to you or not. That's the washi that I'm holding. And then you also get the laser cuts, and you get some blendable rub-ons, and you get the 12 by 12 collection pack. 12 by 12 collection paper pack. So here I am looking for what I am going to make in this, for this page. And I'm looking for, not only am I looking for background, but I'm going to be making two 8 by 4 inch paper scraps, and I'm going to put those on my page as well. So yeah, I do go through this kind of, like, I really love this color in the middle, like a peachy pink, and then I decide I'm going to use this green. And at first I think I'm going to use this blue paper right here, and because it already kind of looks mixed media like, but then I decide to go with a different background, and you will see that in just a few minutes. So here I made my cuts, and then I put them over here, and I don't like the way that they look together on this blue page. I don't like the back of it either, so I look at the other back and I'm like, oh, that looks really nice on that blue. So then I try it on this paper, and I just loved it immediately. So we're gonna go with this paper, and we're gonna go with the butterfly background. So I do go off screen, and I distress my page, my little papers, my little scraps there. And then I decide that I'm going to put them down kind of wonky instead of right next to each other. Excuse me. And then here are my pictures. Me and my daughters took my mom to the English Rose Tea Shop, and that's in Carefree, Arizona. And this is a picture of my mom, and this is a picture of our tea table. So I'm gonna go ahead and document that. So right now I'm grabbing the blendable rub-ons, and I'm going to grab quite a bit of them and just start adding them to the peach and green papers. So here, this is gonna act as my title. It says, "This is better than any fairy tale." And I really enjoyed this time with my mom. We had a very fun time going to this tea shop. And so yeah, it is like almost like a fairy tale come true. So now I'm grabbing the laser cut elements, and this is where I'm gonna start all of my embellishing. I'm going to pretty much, well, I guess I do make 3 clusters. At first I'm just making the 2 clusters, but then I did add some rub-ons to the lower right of my mom's photo, so I'm gonna add a small cluster there as well. So here's everything that I want to add, and then I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to stick everything down. So I either glued it or I popped it up with some foam tape. So everything is down, and now I'm going to come in with some flowers. I'm going to use one of these Nature's Bounty flowers, and I'm going to put it right here to the left of our tea table. And then, oh, I thought I used some florets, but I don't. I use part of the stems that come in the Nature's Bounty, and I'm going to use those up in that upper cluster. Huh. I didn't even realize that. But you could use florets there too instead of taking apart your stems. Now I'm going in with the wishing bubbles, and I'm just adding some here and there, some wordy ones, and then some colorful ones as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and come in with some splatters. I'm using some white splatters first, and I'm just gonna flick this all over my page, making sure that I get it good and splattered. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to bring in the speckled egg, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of those splatters as well. And you can see I just used the nozzle to just splatter it around. At this point, my finger is probably like, why are you going up and down so much? This is not nice, but that's okay. We do what we have to. We push through the pain for our beautiful projects. And then that's it. That's my page. So thank you so much for watching today. I will have all of the links down below to the products that you are seeing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We would love to see you here more often. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.